Hi friends, welcome to Tulsi Tech in Creatives. Guys, today topic is how to install the Maven in command prompt. Guys, this is the most important topics in DevOps tool that is I will discuss in today in Maven. Maven is a build management tool that is one of the important tool of the build management. See, today topics I will discuss you what is Maven, how to install Maven. See, these are all topics in today I will discuss this. What is Maven, types of build management tools, difference between Maven and Ant, what is form.xml, what is Maven goals, how to install the Maven in local system, how to install the Maven project in command prompt. These are all discussed in today uh, I will topics, guys. First of all, Maven is a build management tool. It is a most important of the tool in one of the you can reply the package of you can write the Maven goals. That's of all can very important topics. Okay. Uh, First of all, what is Maven? Maven is a build management tool. Okay, what is Maven? Maven is a build management tool. There are number of build management tool and Ant and Gradle. That is Maven also. That is a advanced using of advanced build management tool. That's why I will tell the today also. Okay. Okay, first of all, Maven is what is Maven? Maven is a build management tool and run the in Maven goals. Then, what is the Maven goals? I will discuss you later. This topic also in middle of the I will what is the Maven goals. So this series, this is I will discuss it. Okay, first of all, what is Maven? Maven is a build management tool using then run the Maven goals and execute the jar and var files. Run the once you can run the Maven goals, is run the Maven goals and download the like jar and var files. Like jar and var files are dependencies. See what is Maven? Maven is a build management tool. Okay, Maven is a build management tool. Once run the Maven goals, then download the jar and var files. See, jar and var files means dependencies. Okay, then what is usage? Then it allows the developers to create the projects. What is the Maven projects is create using in POM. POM means project object model. Okay, using project object models and plugins. This is to required to using in create the projects. Maven also it's provide to documentation and dependencies also it can provide this Maven. Okay. Then types of Maven, types of build management tools like important types of build management tools is like one is Maven, another one is Ant, another one is Maven and another one is Grad. Okay, this is a three types of Maven goals. Sorry, Maven build management tools. This is a three types of build management tools of is one of the most important in like using in Maven. That Maven also you can create the form.xml. .xml means project object model. Project Then once you can execute the pom.xml. Under pom.xml, you write the number of artifact id and group id, like versions also, like dependencies, after dependencies you can install the plugins also. I will most of the, and after pom.xml you can write this group id, then versions, dependence, these are all using after pom.xml. Once you can run the maven call, then create the source code src, src and pom.xml. After pom.xml you can write the group id and artifact id. Group id means is a company name. Yes, group id means company name. Then artifact id means what is the run of application name. This is a most important, guys. Interview questions also ask what is group id, what is artifact id, what is the install and maven plugins, what is the install after plugins, what is the version of your running the maven, that is the versions. Application names. See what is group id. Group id is a company names dot company also dot you can write the any work on that company names. Next, what is artifact id? Artifact id means you can what is the run the application, that is the application name also. I will show the practical also definitely. What is group id, what is application names. I will show the one pom.xml code also. Then versions also 1.4 like 1.5, that is a versions of you can like this. After what is the dependencies, you can main pillar of the dependencies. After dependencies write the plugins, or plugins you can maven plugin also and run the and deploy the application using the Tomcat plugin also. I will install this one. After dependencies I will like the install the dependencies. First of all, understand the concept. I will show the practical also indefinitely. I will clearly I will mention it. What is group ID? What is artifact ID? I will show it how to write the names also. How to install the plugins? What is the add the plugin? That's why I will discuss you. Okay. Next is difference between Ant and Maven. See, this is for what is the Ant and Maven. Maven is first of all you can advanced build management tool. Then you can usage of builds. Maven provide the builds and documentation, reporting and dependencies and distributions, mailing list. These are the providing Maven usage. Then once you can configure the Maven, you can use the pom.xml, which store the pom.xml. I will show it. Then include the install and Maven plugins, configure the settings. I will show it. And then see what is the difference between. I will show you the one chart also. See, this ant is a also build management tool, but you can run the only build.xml files. Provide the information the project structure using the build.xml files. Then Maven has the convention based source code. It's um, see compile the so we don't need to provide the information. We can structure of the form.xml files. Then ant is a we need to provide the information about you throughout the code. Need the provide orders. Maven declare to everything is define the unform.xml. Once you can only one file also you can once you can install the project then display the source and form.xml, download it, then once you can under the form.xml once you can declare the everything also, like dependencies and artifact IDs and versions and spaces, like sorry like after dependencies after dependencies and where are the where what is the install the plugins, that's I all mention it. One declare to everything is defined the pom.xmls. Okay, there is no life cycle in it. There is a life cycle in Maven. It is a toolbox, it is a framework means it can be toolbox is a only provide the in goals also, one by one execute the goals also in Maven text and Maven um, text and compile what is what, that is the only you can mention it the in ant. Then Maven is you can run the in Maven course, and once you can run this you can mention the you can documentation also you can provide this. Maven is you can provide the documentation also, you can reportings also, dependencies also. There is a framework call that is dependencies and documentations is provide this. Maven is a build tool only, and so sorry, Ant is a build tool only, and Maven also you can run the Maven mainly project management tools. Project management tools is a form.xml. You can run it once. You can everything is defined that one. You can run the MV and clean package. Then you can display the target files. After target files, you can provide in jar file and where files. That's a difference between Maven and Ant. Okay. Next topic is what is form.xml. I will show the later in first of all install the what is Maven project also in command prompt. Next is you can display the form.xml. I will that's time also I will discuss in form.xml in I will show the what is code of XMLs. Okay. Next, what is Maven goals? Maven goals. Maven goals is a one is validate, another one is compile, another one is text. See, please observe guys. These are all Maven goals. In the question also this is what is the Maven goals. Tell me the Maven goals and explain the Maven goals also. That's why I will discuss you. Validate and compile text package. Next, then install All Maven goals, guys. See, validate, compile, text, package, verify, install, and deploy. Okay, these are all Maven goals. Explain the what is what I will explain it. Validate means you can validate the compile or source code. See, validate means validate the project is current, all the necessary information is available. Once you can validate the source code also, you can provide the information is available. What is compile? Compile also source code will compile the source code of the your project. Once you can write the in code also, then compile this can source code is available. What is text? Text the compiled source code using in suitable unit. Once you can write this code, then you can use the mvn text command. Then you can testing the unit testing and compile the testing. See, testing frameworks also this text should be not required. The code package is deployed. Okay, next what is package? Then you can after only this one command you can use this and run the you can take the one command also upon three this three also is valid compile text. Once you can run this package, then validate compile and text. Once you can run the package, that three should be validate. You can take the compile code and package it to distribute the format such as like jar file. Can run the once you can run the mvn package and validate compile text, then that three should be it can compile it. You can distribute the such as like jar and var files. Okay, next is verify. Verify is run the integration text again that package is verify integration testing. Once you can create the package, then you can verify the package also using the mvn verify command. Then install. Install the package in local repository for using the dependencies of product. Once you can install this, you can display the local repository of dependencies. And then deploy. Deploy means you can store store the remote repository also. Once you can deploy the package, then you can store the remote repository all your dependencies. What is first of all what is dependencies? You will understanding. First of all, jar. Jar is a system. Jar file is a system application. Where is a web application. Okay, see observe guys what is dependencies is the most important. The type of dependencies present using it. Where is a banking application. Then like and enterprise edition also. Okay, what is dependencies like jar, where and here. What is jar is a system application, where is a web application, here is a banking application. Okay guys, 1 minute. I will call. Okay guys, someone is calling. Where am I is discussed in Maven also. Okay. Then how to install in Maven. See, like first of all you can install the Maven also. Maven. Go to the URL also. 1 minute. There is no internet. Internet access is done. Okay, so I will see what is internet issue. Okay, let's me explain it next. What is okay? I will on scenario. I will definitely I will show it the what is installation in Maven. First of all, you can I explain it one scenario. Then I will go to the installation process. What is the real-time process also? I will show it. What is the purpose of in real-time in daily process also. Observe it in carefully. Not okay. It's done. What the scenario also? I will show it. Okay, that is done. Okay, this is one project. Like in daily process also in real time. Client also you can take this project. This is a project. I will show the how to install the project in installing process. First of all, observe the in one scenario. And this is a one project. Project you can take this like jar and like where files. You can deploy this. You can take the jar file also, Maven projects also, and Tomcat projects also, web application projects. After dependencies, you can mention it the URL also. You can take this once you install the in your local system in command prompt also. Then project is installed. That then once you can install it. Like once you can install it, you can store the in central repository. Central repository you can use in Bitbucket. then use the Bitbucket central repository. Then you can store the central repository, then run the in, like using this central repository, just create the one repository, store that repository also form.xml and source code and target folder. Once you can store it, then take that URL also. You can run in Jenkins, using in Jenkins, that run the in Jenkins. Create the one Maven project also, then add that URL, add the URL also, then you can write the in Maven goals and run the in your application. Then you can deploy the application in restore in access repositories also, like your central repository. You can store these artifacts. That is a scenario in daily process. Okay, see, observe it carefully. Once again I will explain it. This is a Jenkins. Okay, first of all, going to take this one project. What scenario? You can take this project and then I will install the in local machine. Then you can store the on central repository, that's also some XML. Then you can using in Jenkins, then deploy the application in access repository in that is a on scenario. Like that scenario you can use it. See, first of all you can take the one project also in developer take the one project, that is a Maven projects also. Then you can install in Maven project in locally and create the XML and source and dependencies. Dependencies means is a target folder. That is you can like store data using in Bitbucket commands also. You can store the in central repository. Once you can store this in Bitbucket's central repository, once you create one repository, that is a store that repository, the repository also store it the one.xml, so like project dependencies also, that is a store. That you can take that URL also. Take once you can URL Bitbucket URL, you can run the in Jenkins. Provide the Jenkins also, you can run it. Then you can run the once you can create the Maven install the unleash Maven plugin. Can run the Maven project also. You can copy that URL in, add the credentials. Then go to the build section, we write the Maven goals also in packages. Then you can deploy the application, that successfully you can deploy the access report. That is a scenario, but present I will definitely explain it. First of all, what is how to install in local machine, how to store the in Bitbucket, how to run the in Jenkins. Then on the separate topics I will explain it in daily basis. And today also only install in local machine, how to install in Maven, how to install the Maven project in local machine. That part also today I will complete it. Then next tomorrow also I will how to store in Bitbucket, how to run the using in Jenkins, how to deploy the application. I will definitely explain it tomorrow. Okay. So understand guys, I think is good all understanding these topics. Okay, then go to the installation process. This is a Maven. Using this URL, under URL you can install the like zip file also. This is a using this, only click on this button, then show this. This is an installing process. Once you can install this, I have already installed it, that why I will stop this installation process. Okay, you can install this. Once you can install this, you can store the in download section. Under download section, you can unzip the process also. You can unzip this Maven folder. Once you can unzip the Maven folder, like show the after unzip what the process. See, once you can download it, then download then unzip the the software also. Once you can unzip, then go to the Maven. Under Maven you can version of the 3.6. Under Maven you can see these options: bin folder, also boot and conf and libraries. These sections also all display this. Under bin folder .env conf and Mavens, that is his display. Under conf folder you can see the setting.xml and login. What is setting.xml? So I will explain it in later in using the Linux installation in Maven. That's what I will explain it indefinitely. Okay, first unzip, we can store the one, create the one folder, also store this that folder also. Then we can store it. Once you can store this, install it, and you can store the one location also. You can add the environment variables also. This is a most important. Once you can install it, store the one location also. You can add in your local system in environment variables also. This is a location path also. You can variables, you can install, go to the advanced tab where the mentioned environment variable, that is I will show it. Okay, see, once again I will tell you, go to the advanced tab and go to the environment variables. See, like I have already mentioned it, you also mention this. Create the Maven. See, first of all, system variable, user variables or system variables. These are two types of variables. Go to the system variables, edit section. Edit section, you can write the variable name also. Then you can add the path under bin folder. See, this path also you can add it, this environment variable. Then once you can add it, then click on OK. Then you can next add M2 Maven. M2 dot, what is M2? I will explain it. What is the .m2 folder? .m2 folder, nothing like, you can download the dependencies also. Once you can run the Maven bolts, then you can automatically download it, your dependencies also. That is a .m2 folder. I will show it where is this. Okay, then edit section. See, this also write the variable name also. You can mention the path in the under bin folder, like we can add it. Then we can go to the path. Under path also we can mention it. Yes. Under path is, you can edit this. See, you can mention this mvn home./-bin only. that it you can mention the edit the environment under the path. You can mention this mvn iphone home slash bin folder, then click on ok, then go to the command prompt also. Once go to the command prompt where the your project folder, you can where is the you can store the all projects also, that is a create one folder also. Then go to that folder, go to my projects folder. Okay, this is a run and command prompt. Run it once and run, check it where is using in dir command, check it the what is what files also can store that folder also. Then how to install, please observe it. Take the one I will take the one project url, then install the in maven. How to install and show it, I will show the, see this is a one maven project also like jar file. How to install it, then paste it here. See like copy this mvn orchestrate this mvn url, this copy this. Okay, copy the project url, then you can copy it, scanning the projects, like you can generate the interactive modes. See this is a, once again you remember this, what is the dependencies on artifacts, group id, artifact id in version also, then you can mention it. Group id means first project, group id means your company name, I will mention it in Bangalore. Then artifact id means your application name. Then you can version name is 1.4. Define the value property, package name also, package name also in first project. See, build is success, you can successfully can generate the download the projects. Where is my see, this is my first project. Go to that project also, under project, see under project you can install in pom.xml and src. I will show that folder also. Where is it? Projects, first project. See, and source code. Under source code, main tag, and main tag is using in Java project, so like Maven. Under app the Java. See, under package also first project, then public class also dot app. Only mention that two. Also you can write the simple Java code. Write the hello world. You can anywhere you can write this in your name also. You can project what is what, that is a mention print ln, and then go to the pom.xml. See, please observe it carefully. What is pom.xml? See, this is a pom.xml. Observe it carefully. This is a first project. This is a pom.xml. Under pom.xml, write the group ID. Group ID means in company ID in Bangalore, and artifact ID. Artifact ID means first project. Then version you can mention the 1.4. Then after function, after dependency, see, after version also you can mention it the properties. Then after properties you can write the dependencies of under the dependencies, like installed in plugins also. You can install the Maven plugin. See, clean plugin, Maven plugin. This is a Maven project, like that. Install in Maven plugin. Then Tomcat also you can mention it the Tomcat plugin also. I will show you next class or after class also what is the install in Tomcat. First of all, then see, this is a pom.xml code. See, observe it carefully. Versions and group IDs and artifacts IDs, and after properties also like this. Source code, encoding and compiler, and target for create the target folders. After dependencies also, install the plugins. You can mention it. Where the mention the after dependencies. After dependencies you can mention the builds, and after build you can write the plugin also. See, after dependencies can add the Maven plugin. This also you can add it. Simply saying this also add this. Okay, understanding guys. What is the pom.xml? I will show in clearly. Okay, see, I will add this, and after dependencies, see, after dependencies, like add it in, and build and plugins also. Okay, then you can save it. Once you can save it, go to the command prompt. In this also mvn only write the one command. Also you can mvn clean package also you can write this, like you can generate the target folder also. Where is the first project? Only source and form.xml. Once you can run the mvn clean package, you can create target folder also. So see this. Once you can run mvn clean package, see, installed all of your plugins and create the jar files. Downloadings. See, observe it. Once you can run this, you can remember it. Once you can run the remember it, then once mvn clean package is run, then this also validate compile text. This also is done in totally. What is the error? Plugins also is mistake. Okay, open the form.xml. Okay, main class is mistakes. Sorry. Then main class is wrong. Go to the main source code. Under source code using Java first project app.java. See, copy this name, paste it here. Main class is first project. Package name is first class. Under main class we will mention it. Okay. See, I will explain it. Plugins and group ID and artifact ID. Okay, group ID and artifact ID. And main fest also you can add the main class also. Then you can save it. Once save this.
Here's a matching video.
Save this first. Then run the once again mvn click. Observe it carefully. Once you can another you can run the mvn clean package, then you can already your target folder is deleted, a new target folder is created, then another execute code. Copy this. Okay, then save it. Close this and open. Okay, then run. Minute, I will show you the what's the error. Okay, some issue, I will explain it. See, after dependencies, under my J group ID, also artifact ID, also version, also I will mention it. See, I will mention it in all group ID and artifact ID and version. That's all. I will mistake you. Then once you can write this and okay. Then once you can mention the all in pom.xml, go to the this folder also. Once you can mbn the clean package also. Then first already target folder is deleted, then you can create the new target folder. I will say this running in text and compile install, that is a run. You can create a new target folder. Under target folder, create the first project of .1.4 in jar. Under target folder, you can create the jar file. Once you can run the jar file, then we got it the output. I will show you this. What is the how to run java -jar. See, first of all, let me see the CO. Sorry, first of all, go to the target folder. You can see this. Yeah, first project is .1.4 java. See, this is the output of your project. Okay guys, simply install in command prompt in your project. See, remember it in scenario also. First of all, you can take this project, you can install in your local machine. This part also you will complete it in today. Okay guys. Okay, observe it carefully. First of all, copy the in project URL, then paste it here, then install, create the project, go to that project. You can run the mbn clean package, then add the pom.xml and source code, and make sure it is pom.xml, and under dependency you can install the Maven plugin also. Then you can go to the command prompt, write the ambient client package, then download the, then create the target folder. Under target folder you can download the jar dependencies and jar file. Then you can run the jar file java-jar, then you can get the output. Okay guys, I will share it this pom.xml file also. Then your description, any interested you can ping me the mail also. I will share it definitely, you can try it. Okay guys, understand this topic. Okay, bye guys. I will let me explain it tomorrow also, what is the full scenario. Okay, please like and share and subscribe. Go through the bell icon also, and go through the watch the all videos in my channel. Okay guys, bye, thank you.